So that's flood. Then that spot. Family of 4 right there. Hey fellow woodcutters, topside here. I got my new Olight ArkPro. This thing just came out. Super excited about it. I don't even know if it's released yet. I love their packaging. Comes in here. Clean this up. I like those directions built right in. Lens is covered up. Take that. Olight ArkPro, I think comes out September 15th. This thing's cool, really nice packaging, beautiful light, great feel to it, cool finish, a lot of really nice improvements. It still has a magnetic battery charger, which is cool, but if you don't have that with you, you could use your phone C charger right there, so that's a really nice addition. Corrugations are nice. That magnet in the bottom for charging also works on any steel object, so it's easy to hold or mount on metal. And then here are your 3 settings: ultraviolet, flood, and spot. And you could turn it on and then go back and forth between them. And then the laser's on the side, which is actually a better place for that laser, right? I actually like that green laser too, so you could use it for the daytime. I actually do tree work and point things in trees to folks with that laser. You can see there the charge level, so the charge is fully charged. And then if we turn it on, we just push it once. And then this is how bright it is in that setting. So if I want to go down, that's the low setting, medium setting, 2 bars, and then bright setting, it's kind of blinding, which is cool. And then while it's in those settings as well, so I'll put on medium, and then I'll go over to spotlight like that. You turn it up. There. Then of course it has the UV as well. You check $100 bills. Any place you're going to need a UV light. So I really like the feel of it. We'll take it out in the dark right now and then see how it goes. All right. Here's something over in the bushes. There they are right there. So that's flood. Then that spot. Family of 4 right there. So light's pretty impressive. I don't know how far out they are. So again, there's spot, flood, spot at the brightest level.